Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about the Siebwin Extra Large Portable Paint Booth Tent. If you're looking for the best overspray tent for your DIY projects or painting needs, this is definitely one to consider. The Siebwin Portable Paint Booth Tent is not just a typical paint shelter. It's designed with convenience and efficiency in mind. With dimensions of 10 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 6.5 feet high, this tent gives you 20% more space compared to traditional tents, making it ideal for medium to large furniture painting or staining projects. Whether you're working on chairs, tables, or other large items, this paint booth provides ample space to maneuver around your work. Setting up this tent is incredibly easy. Unlike traditional tents where you have to thread poles through small holes. The Siebwin design features sewn hooks, allowing you to simply prop up the poles and hang the tent on the frame. It's so user-friendly that you can do it all by yourself without any extra help. One feature that stands out is its unique mesh curtain at the front, which prevents dust and insects from landing on your freshly painted items while they dry. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference when you want to keep your paint job perfect. Safety is also a top priority with this paint booth. The enclosed space helps contain overspray and keeps the surrounding area clean. Whether you're using spray cans, airbrushes, or paint sprayers, this tent provides the protection you need to avoid messes. And because it's made with durable cloth material, it ensures long-lasting use for all your projects. The tent also includes a built-in floor, which is perfect for preventing paint spills from affecting your surroundings. The windproof hooks are designed to keep the tent stable, even on breezy days, so you won't have to worry about the shelter being blown over. In addition to its spacious design and protective features, the Siebwin Paint Booth Tent is highly portable, making it easy to pack up and take to any location. Whether you're setting it up in your garage, yard, or anywhere else, you'll appreciate how simple it is to store and transport. If you're a DIY enthusiast or professional looking for a reliable, easy-to-set-up paint booth, the Siebwin Portable Paint Booth Tent is a great choice. It's efficient, user-friendly, and offers the protection you need to keep your projects clean and safe. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique.